Good evening dear friends, myself Satyam Misra and here I am well. Friends, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट के लास्ट सेंटेंस के बारे में, ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. So before telling anything, I would like to make you sure about how you will be able to change direct sentence from direct to indirect in optative sentence. So simply you should see, we use wished, blessed, prayed, cursed and bade at the place of reporting of said to, according to the sense or meaning of reported speech. Means ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में बदलते समय हम रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ सेड टू के स्थान पर विश्ड, ब्लेस्ड, कर्स्ड, प्रेड, बेड इस तरह के वर्ड्स का प्रयोग करते हैं. और अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच सेंस, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के अर्थ के अनुसार इनमें से कोई एक वर्ड सेड टू के स्थान पर लिखा जाता है. फिर हम वहां कॉमा, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को रिमूव करने के लिए दैट एज ए कंजंक्शन प्रयोग करते हैं. और फिर दिए हुए ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते समय असर्टिव में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. एक छोटे से एग्जांपल से मैं आपको ये क्लियर करना चाहता हूं कि सम टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू बी कंफ्यूज कि दिस एंड दिस वन इज जस्ट लाइक ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस, बट हियर इट इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. May I use your mobile phone? Here you are saying that may word is there, but this is an interrogative sentence. This is not optative sentence. And here, may you live long. After that, you are saying that there is an exclamation mark. So here it is optative sentence. So while you are going to change any sentence from direct to indirect, first be assured that which kinds of sentence that is. Friends, here I am going to tell you few examples. With these examples, you will be able to understand how optative sentence is going to change from direct to indirect. So let's see. He said to me, "May God bless you." So it can be a wish of him and it can be blessed. ये इच्छा भी हो सकती है और ये blessing भी हो सकती है. तो आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ said to की जगह he blessed, then me, then you will write that at the place of comma, inverted comma, then this God word will come in the beginning, God, and this may is going to change in might. God might bless, and this you is going to change according to object because second person is going to change according to object, and object is me, and you is in objective case. So what will be the objective of me? It will be me. So he blessed me that God might bless me. God might bless me. Let's see. He said to Meera, "May God bless you with a son." So this is what? This is a kind of prayer of him. So at the place of said to आप क्या लिखेंगे? Pray हो जाएगा. He prayed. He prayed. And then at the place of comma, inverted comma, you will write that. He prayed that. Then God bless. This second person you is going to change according to Meera, and this prayer is for only Meera. So you will write here Meera. God bless Meera with a son. Next one, Ravi said to Prakash, "May you go to hell." This is what? किसी ने किसी को श्राप दे दिया कि तुम भाड़ में जाओ, नर्क में जाओ. तो इस सेट टू की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? कर्स लिखेंगे. रवि कर्स. रवि कर्स प्रकाश. Then you will write that at the place of comma, inverted comma, that. Then you is what? Second person. It is going to change according to object, and object is Prakash, so it will change in he. Then may will change in might. He might. Then go to hell. Last one. After this sentence, this topic direct, indirect will complete, because earlier I made 6 videos of direct, indirect, and there I discussed all the rules and all the kinds of direct, indirect in those videos. So let's see. The sent said to him, may you die. It is also a sentence of curse. So here you will write the saint cursed him. Then you will write that at the place of comma, inverted comma, that. You second person is going to change according to object, then it will be he. And then may will change in might, he might. And then die will be as usual. So dear students, here I tell you 4 example that was related to the optative sentence. So I think after this there will be no doubt regarding direct indirect. So here I am going to complete it. If you are thinking the videos are very helpful to you, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.